Hey everybody, it's Jasmine and today I have another review for you guys. Now, I asked you guys on Instagram what review you wanted to see, if you wanted to see those Shop Missy brushes or if you wanted to see the Sigma eyeliners, and it was almost 50-50 for the whole entire duration of the day. It was 50-50, and then finally Shop Missy won by 6%, and then I was like, okay, Shop Missy's video is gonna go up Monday, and so here I have the review for the Sigma eyeliners. Now, they just recently came out with their new Wicked eyeliners. Now they have a long wear eyeliner pencil as well as their liquid pen eyeliner. Sigma is notorious for having their Wicked gel eyeliner. Everyone uses it. I see it all over Instagram, like whenever someone's doing those up close eye shots and they're using gel liner, it's more often than not the Sigma one. And so I actually have that one here with me, and you will see demos of the eyeliners going on. So I hope you guys really enjoy this review. I hope you guys find it very helpful, and if you want to see everything in action, then please keep on watching. Here's how I'm going to do the review. Now, I am going to use both the new eyeliners on this eye, and then I'm going to compare it to the original gel liner on this eye. We'll see how long they wear and all the good stuff that a review has. And so for the eyeliner pencil, it says that this is an 8+ hour wear. Okay. It's water, smudge, and fade resistant, and the claims are the same on the pencil eyeliner as well. The only difference between the two is that the pencil liner is going to retail you $11, and then the liquid liner is going to retail you for $14, and then the gel eyeliner is going to cost you $10. So there's a bit of a difference between all of these in price. First, I'm just gonna go ahead and line my upper and lower waterline with the pencil eyeliner. Now, what I noticed is that it's retractable. Yes! I love it. I live. Now, I don't know about you, but I get very nervous trying new eyeliners simply because I'm scared that I'm gonna look like a mess at the end of the day because I take eyeliner very seriously. Fun fact, eyeliner was the first makeup product I ever owned. Whoa, there's a sharpener on the back. I just tried to take off the cap and then a sharpener came out. That's pretty cool. Oops. Wait. I think I broke it. I think I broke my eyeliner, and I never do that. Oh no. I got the cap stuck and now I'm unable to oh my god. So a word of advice, don't put the cap on the back of your pencils like you would normally do. Okay, I pried it out with a tweezer. That was heck freaking stupid of me. Kidding me? If that would have been stuck for a while, I would have been pissed. I would have been so mad because I paid for this with my own money. Okay, now for liquid eyeliner. You guys know I'm a liquid eyeliner fanatic, so the reason why I actually bought these eyeliners to review was actually because of the liquid liner. And so I'm really excited. Let's see what the tip looks like. It's a felt tip. If you watch my channel for any length of time, you guys know I don't like felt tip liners. But the reason why I don't like felt tip liners is because I don't like the way it tugs at my eyes. I think that brush tip applicators are much more smooth. They give you a fluid line, but I don't know how this one will work. The only felt tip eyeliner that I could think of that I actually use is the Stila one, but I haven't used that since high school. So I'm just gonna do my eyeliner as usual. I have a first impression on this liquid liner already. Now, as speculated, it did kind of tug at my eyes, And I mean, it wasn't anything like super bad. It was just more tugging than I am used to, because I am used to having a brush tip applicator. And when I went to go wing out my line, I felt that that's when I saw the most tugging, because when I do my wings, I literally like flick it out. So I felt like my skin, it wasn't like a big drastic tug, but I just felt it, and I saw that the line skipped just a little bit. And I don't know if you saw that in the clip, but it just took me a little longer than I would like to do my eyeliner. It takes me, honestly, it takes me 10 seconds to put on my eyeliner, and I felt like this took me 30 seconds to a minute. I know some of you guys are like, oh, that's really quick, but I'm just used to literally slapping on my eyeliner, and you know, this one just took me longer. But if it wears really well, and if it, you know, doesn't flake or anything, then I might, you know, give this some points. But I mean, for what it is, it's super black, super pigmented, and I mean, it did its job, so I'm not really that mad at it. Now for this eye, we're gonna be doing the exact same thing. Now, gel eyeliner can be applied to your waterline as well. For me personally, I don't use gel liner. Now, I only use this eyeliner on very not special occasions. I use it whenever I feel like I want to take time to do my eyeliner, because like I said, I don't take time to do it. And so for this, I'm actually going to take a brush that you typically don't see people use. This is a square shaped brush. It kind of looks like this. It has no point, but I feel like it gives me the best application. This one in particular is by Bdellium Tools. It's their 761 tight liner brush. And I'm just gonna go in to the pot and just do my thing, fill in my waterline, as well as creating a wing. Now, you guys may not be able to tell because I have a mirror so close to my face, but I feel like the gel side is just a little bit more intense, like a little bit more black. I mean, granted, it's not really gonna make a difference. You know, they're both black eyeliners, but I was just saying, if those who are really honing in on, you know, knowing the difference, I just think that the gel side is a little bit more black. But let's just continue. So I applied the winged eyeliner, and I do have to say that the winged eyeliner on this side is more black, but the gel side is more matte. Now I'm just going to finish off my makeup, liner, lashes, and right now it's 10:40, so we'll check back at the end of the day and talk about these products. The time is currently 9:24. It's been almost 12 hours. It's about like 11 hours right now. So let's check the eyeliner. I'm gonna scooch my tooch up to you guys so you guys can see, and I'm also going to look into the mirror. Now, the first thing that I noticed right off the bat, I have a little bit of smudging in the outer bottom corner right here, and I know that's definitely the eyeliner because the mascara that I'm wearing, I know it does not smudge at all. It's my Essence Lash Princess, and that you guys know I've been wearing that for a few months, so there's a little bit of smudging there. But I mean, it's not too noticeable simply because I do have like a dark lower lash line, so it's nothing that someone's really going to notice, but for the sake of this video, I noticed it. Now let's check the waterline. I don't know, are you guys watching this in HD? The waterline in this one, it's almost patching off, but if I'm looking at you and I'm just talking to you, it looks like my lower lash line is covered. I mean, my lower waterline is covered. And I mean, that's pretty good. Let's see how well the top is doing. The top is doing just fine. No fading, no smudging on the top. It's mostly just the bottom, which I kind of suspect. I usually suspect my lower waterline to run just a little bit more than my top. That's just how it is. For this side, the waterline did not smudge at all, and for the most part, it stayed more in my waterline than the gel side, but I do notice that if I pull my eye down like this, you can see some patchiness right in this area, but it's not that bad, okay? As for my eyeliner here, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I actually extended my wing off camera. I used the gel side on this side, obviously, and then the liquid side on this side. So in a sense, I did do 2 layers of eyeliner off camera just because when I put my fake eyelashes on, I was like, man, I need a longer line. And I think with the second layer, it made this wing look a little chunkier. Like it just looks textured a little bit, which is something really bizarre. I didn't even notice that before. I'm just looking at it really close up. But probably a little bit of smudging at the very tail end here, but it's not even that big of a difference, honestly. For the most part, everything seems to hold up really good, and you guys know I did not set my waterline. I just put on the eyeliner and then I kind of just went about my day. So 11 hours of wear, and this is how it's held up. I think that's really good. The gel eyeliner, although I feel like it is great, it's not something that I personally use just because I'm that type of person that when I travel or when I go some places, I like things to be easy, and I feel like with the gel eyeliner I always have to carry a brush. How does this compare to other gel liners like Maybelline? I've actually never tried any gel liners from the drugstore. So that's on my part, but at the same time, the reason why I don't try anything from the drugstore, mostly because the companies that do come out with gel liners, they're not cruelty free like L'Oreal, Maybelline, and you guys know I like to test out things that are cruelty free. And so with that being said, I think that $10 for this eyeliner isn't that bad at all. I think $10 might be the sale price because I'm pretty sure I paid $14 for this. I don't know. It's something around that $10 mark, but $10 for this eyeliner, I don't think that's bad at all. Now, if I'm being honest, in application, I totally prefer the gel side over the liquid side because, like I said in the video, I felt like the felt tip just tugged at my eye. Now, for the kohl liner, I think that this is going to be one of my new staples. Now, I am a eyeliner fanatic, and mostly I love eyeliners that just don't smudge, and just seeing how this wore on my waterline without setting it says so much to me, and I'm so glad that this is actually retractable. I'm glad that this didn't break on me. That was really tragic, but this actually comes with a lot of product. Like, as you could see, in comparison to the size of the liquid liner, it's tall. It's really tall, and I really like that. I love when I get a lot of product for my money, and so definitely I think that these products are definitely worth a try, and it's kind of up to you. Like, what is your preference? Like, are you going to like a felt tip liner? Like, do you know that you like a felt tip? Do you not like a felt tip? Do you like gel liner? Do you like kohl liners? You know, they're like all of the Wicked liners that I have here, they're all consistent, and I think that the pigmentation of everything is super black, and I appreciate the fact that it is so pigmented, but it doesn't run and it doesn't smudge or anything like that. I mean, granted, it did smudge here just a little bit, but it was nothing to the extreme. I've definitely dealt with worse. So I hope this review was kind of helpful for you guys, and I hope that you know, maybe want to check it out. And also, before I leave, I wanted to say I am a Sigma affiliate. They did not send me these products. I bought them myself. But if you do want to buy these products, I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's ThatsSoYin at checkout to get 10% off. Obviously, you can use it if you want to or not. I get a small commission if you use the code, but I mean, it's really up to you. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scout.